Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be building a $50 farmhouse table. These are the equipment that you will need. Please be sure to check the description box for further details and also the cut list. So we're about to make our farmhouse dining table. Yes, this is a DIY video if you haven't seen by the title. So we are headed to Ford Lumber to get our wood. Be sure to check the description box below for the wood that you'll need and also the cut list. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so once you have all of your wood cut, it should look like this. It should be a total of 22 pieces, and you may have a few pieces of like spare wood left over, which is fine. You can save for a new project. But this should be 22 pieces of wood. So now we can get started on the table. Be sure to arrange your wood like this. This will be the easiest way to get the table done. You want to make sure that you glue and nail down everything that you could possibly put together in this table. So right here you'll see me putting the glue. I'm using the Elmer's wood glue. Don't spill it on the floor like I did. You want to line it up to where both ends are flush. And then you want to take two of your nails and you want to make sure that you get the nail all the way in the wood. And please make sure that your ends are even. It will save a lot of time, heartache, and confusion and frustration if you just do it right the first time. Look at Eden in the back, her little afro. She is a busybody, y'all. So you may even want to stand the table up if it will make it a little bit easier for you. You just want to do that for all of the boards, all of the 1x4s. You want to put the glue on. Make sure you line it up evenly. We did an even spacing all the way throughout the table. So you just want to make sure that all of your boards are equally distant apart from each other. So you want to put the glue, and then you want to make sure that you put your nails in on each side of the table for each board. And now I'll be quiet and let y'all jam. I did just want to chime in right here and say that you may want to have somebody else help you for this part. It'll make it a lot easier. This part is very, very important to make sure that these boards are lined up flush with the front of the table on each side. You want to nail all the way down each board.
You want to do the same thing that you have been doing with the other board, and you want to do the same exact thing with the long board, making sure to put a nail wherever you see two boards connect. You'll see Mike doing that right now. Take your time to make sure that you get all of them seamlessly. So you want to just repeat the same steps, glue and nail, glue and nail. And then, like I said, if you have a helper, this will help you tremendously.
Yay!
This part here is optional. I suggest it if you just want your table to have more of a seamless look. But if you are going for more of a rustic, distressed look, old wood, you know, not particularly uniform, you don't have to do that part. You want to make sure on this part that you create an I, not a T. So make sure that all the boards are centered so that you have a nice seamless look. Look at my food. I love him. This part is very important to make sure that your table looks very nice, neat, and uniform. So this is not a step you can skip. Doesn't it look so clean and seamless, y'all? Somebody please get him off the camera. This is the golden oak stain. So we got this at our local Ace Hardware, but you can also get this at Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, or Walmart. Some Walmarts carry it, some don't. Just check your local Walmart. I love this stain, you guys. It was so pretty. So this is how our table turned out. I am absolutely in love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and let us know. Thanks for watching.